Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. Today we shall discuss in lecture 13 the CICD for the microservice architecture application in .NET using the WebApp services. In the lecture number 3, today we shall discuss the configuration of the Azure WebApp. In order to take help in training for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Azure Web CICD available, please contact on this WhatsApp number. All the video prepared on this channel by the certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for the DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please subscribe the button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Today we shall discuss how we shall configure the Azure Web App before deployment on this Azure Web App. First of all, in this case, log into the Azure portal and search for the web. When you search for the web, you will find the app services. In this lecture, we shall discuss the configuration of the app services for the deployment in the CD section for the React.js. So, when you log in on the Azure portal and search for the web, you will find the app service. Click the app service. In step 1, next in step 2, you will find this interface for the app service. Click on the combo box and select the web app right. You can see in this case, click on the combo box and select the option web app. When you select the web app, you will find the interface like this. In step 3, this one. First of all, we shall fill up the different section of the web app, like the basic, like the deployment, like the networking, monitoring, tags, view and create. So in the first step of the basic, we shall provide the name, the subscription name, the DevOps admin. And in the resource group, you will provide the name of the resource group. You can select the default resource group or you can create new one according to your requirement. After this, give the name of the web app. Like here you can write the name of the web app, like the DevOps King. In the next section, for the publish, you can publish your code. You can use the Docker container. We shall discuss in the coming lecture about the Docker container. And the static web app. Static web app means the website will be same for the files. No updation as well. And for the next one, as we are configuring the web app for the React.js, so in this case you need to select the Node 18 LTS, because for the React.js we shall select this runtime stack. The operating system, for the operating system we shall select the Linux. You can also select the Windows. After selecting this, you will, after selecting the Linux, you will select the region for the web app. Like the region is East US, you can select according to your requirement. So remaining options will be remain same, like the disable, enable and so on. In the next step, when you are on the tag section, all the things will be as default. We shall update only in the basic section. For the remaining section, you will leave the default values. After this, at the end, we shall click on the review and create. After clicking on this button, we shall get the Azure web app. One important thing about configuring the web app for the React.js, when you have created the web app, then in the configuration section of the web app, you will provide some parameter in the general section. Like after creating the web app, you will select the configuration section, and in the configuration section in the general setting you will provide this parameter. This parameter is very important for the React.js configuration. The parameter is npx serv-s. It is a startup command for the React.js in the Azure web app. In the next lecture, we shall use this web app in our CD section. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by Senior DevOps Engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.